friends. I hope everyone is doing super today. We're going to be achieving this pink, soft, glammy, kind of just cutesy, really feminine look that I'm super excited for. So if you haven't already, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, turn on your notification bell, and let's get started. I'm starting off with my brows as always using my Goof Proof by Benefit. I'm cleaning up only the bottom, guys, using my NARS concealer in the shade Medium Custard and my Morphe JH43. And so guys, I've been super into like a messy natural brow recently, but you guys can do your brows as you wish, however you want them. As always, there's kind of a constant theme to my channel, and it's do whatever the heck you want. For my primer, I'm using my Urban Decay All Nighter. Swear by this stuff, it is so good. This is the Potion Primer. And I'm just blending that in, dabbing that in with my Sigma P89 brush. For eyeshadow today, guys, I'm using my Morphe Vintage Rose that I just got. I'm really excited for it. It has all these really pretty pinky shades. To start off with my transition shade, guys, I am just going in with this Petal Play down here, and I'm just applying this right above my crease. Once we're done with that shade, guys, I'm going to be going in with this Rose Bold right over here and applying this with my Sigma E45 brush, and I'm going to keep this right in the crease. It's just a little bit darker than the shade that I had just applied. And because this is going to be more of a haloed look, I want to bring that all the way in into my inner corner. Once we've built up that color a little bit, guys, I'm going to be going in with this Retro Woe color, applying with my Sigma F75 brush, and I'm not going to cut my crease or anything. I'm just going to apply this right on my lid. I'm not adding any more product, guys. I'm just going in with my Sigma E45 one more time and going in my crease. And I'm focusing this glitter, this shimmer shade, kind of where my iris is. That's where I want the main product to go. And then I'm dragging, yeah, my iris, that's my iris. And then I'm just dragging a little bit of excess product into both sides of my eye. So this next step, guys, is what is going to make this look really stand apart and pop and just give it that really nice halo-y effect. So I'm just going to take my setting spray. You can use prepping spray if you want, and I'm going to spray a small flat tipped brush. This is just like from a Sephora collection, and I'm going in with this lighter shade right here in the corner, and I'm just applying that very close to my lash line, and only so like in the middle of my eye, kind of. Here we go. Yes, like that, like right in the middle of where I applied the glitter, the shimmer shade, the first shimmer shade. Yeah. I'm really not blending that so hard, guys. I want it to be very concentrated in the center of the first shimmer. For eyeliner today, guys, I'm just using my Kat Von D tattoo liner, and I'm not doing a wing or anything. I want this to be somewhat subtle, so I'm just kind of doing like a thin line from my inner corner and then slowly making it a little bit thicker, but I'm not winging it or anything like that. Okay guys, so I'm just going to throw some lashes on off camera. I'm using Samantha number 7 by Huda Beauty, and make sure if you are applying lashes to prep your lashes beforehand, which means curling them and putting on at least one layer of mascara. Lashes are on, guys. Now we're going to be taking a small break from the eyes and moving on to face. I'm using my Urban Decay All Nighter for primer today. For foundation, guys, I'm using my Urban Decay All Nighter in the shade 5.0. Just applying this with my Sigma F80. Going in now, guys, with my NARS concealer in the shade Medium Custard. Same one that we used for our eyes, and I'm just applying this with my Beauty Blender. I'm immediately setting my under eyes with my Anastasia translucent powder and my Sigma F79 brush. As you guys may already know if you're not new to my channel, if you are new, welcome. I like to set the rest of my face with my Dior light beige setting powder. I think just something a little bit closer to my skin tone makes for really smooth blending and just makes everything look that much prettier, you know? Dusting that off, guys, I'm just using my same Sigma F79. For contour and bronzer today, guys, I'm using my Cheekleaders by Benefit, going in with just my big fluffy brush by Sephora in the shade Huda. I know this thing is beat up. This thing is, at least I use it, you know. For my contour, guys, I'm going in with the shade Dallas, and I'm using just a smaller fluffy brush by Sephora. It is nothing crazy. Going in with my Sigma F10 brush in my Flirted Up by Sephora, I'm just going to be applying my blush. For highlighter on my cheeks, guys, I am using my Sigma F06, going in with my Anastasia Cream Glow Kit in the shade Starburst. It's time for my nose contour now, guys. Okay, guys, so while we are letting that sit and bake for just 1 minute, we are going to be finishing up our eyes, going in with this shade that we used for the crease earlier, and just bringing that along our lower lash line. And I'm using my same Sigma E45 that I used before. Today for lips, guys, I'm using Marc Jacobs in the shade Kiss Kiss Bang Bang. And now, guys, we just need to spray our faces using my Urban Decay All Nighter as always. Okay, guys, so this is it. This is the finished look. Don't forget, if you haven't already, give this video a big thumbs up for me. Subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you guys don't miss out on next week's video. And I can't wait to see y'all next time. Bye!